What we can say, because we are at the end of our mission, is that essentially there are three main areas where we would like to maybe make some comment. The first comment is about the processes itself. This is linked to all the issues that were raised, the registrar in particular, and so on. And for that, we met the key partners, the Electoral Commission. Overall, we think that the overall process is really well managed. It's really well properly managed. We had a long meeting with the Electoral Commission, and really we were reassured that the process was done in a very professional way. I mean, nothing is perfect. It does not exist in any country. But mechanisms are in place to address those issues that can be raised. Yes, there was the issue of the 30,000 registered voters for which they were on separate list, but it was clarified. It was really well explained. In fact, the work is ongoing. It's work on progress to really deal with it appropriately according to the adequate procedure. So, as far as the process itself is concerned, I think really we want to commend the work that has been done. I think it's really very professionally. The second point that we also would like to indicate is the issue of the security around the election. We have had a very long discussion with the two ministers in charge of security and interior. There was some issue about the vigilante and the risk that they could cause the threat. But we want to say that we really commend the effort that were made, the very important decision made by the authorities to really address this issue and all the actions that are planned to ensure that really the security is really adequately addressed. And we feel that this is something, of course, there was some discussion, but today I think there is an agreement on all parties, on all stakeholders to really address this issue. So we are very reassured about what has been really done, and there again we really want to commend the authority for having taken this issue and all the action that the security apparatus is putting in place to ensure that really the election will be violence-free. I think we feel reassured on that. The third point that we would like to raise, there has been several actions done, particularly from the national the Peace National Council, Peace Council, to increase the level of dialogue between various stakeholders. And we were pleased that there was an agreement that was signed, a code of conduct that was signed to really ensure those, that there won't be any violence. So globally, we feel that the process is really in a very good state. There is only one thing we would like to insist. We would like to insist that the dialogue continues. We want to insist that yes, there is dialogue, but we could increase this dialogue between all the stakeholders. That really they talk between each other, because that will increase the level of confidence, the trust, and reduce the tension. So this is, I shall say, the minimum recommendation. If we really had to make one recommendation, that encourage the process that has started to some extent, but we feel that it could be increased, and that will really, of course, make sure that reinforce the dynamic But globally, really, it's a very positive assessment that we have. Really want to really commend the authorities for really having taken all those issues that raised and addressed them well in advance. And we're convinced that the situation will really be an extremely good one.